Nikki, and welcome to my channel. First off, I'm so excited. This is my first YouTube video ever, so I wanted to start it off pretty big, but let me give you a rundown about Nikki's channel, right? So we're gonna do makeup reviews. We're also gonna do skincare reviews. I got amazing tips for skincare that I can't wait to share with you guys. And we're also gonna do reviews like, you know, hair care, all of the great stuff, even fashion. A few fashion hauls, reviews, because I love fashion too. And so I can't wait. This is gonna be so much fun. But today, we're gonna start it off big with a review. Not only is it a review, but it's a review on 2 products, and it's a competition. We're gonna see which one's the best. So, contestant number 1, we have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Oh, I call her Rihanna. Sorry, Rihanna. Okay, but this one is a new foundation. Like, she's been out for a while, but now she has this new longwear foundation. It's called Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. The color that I received is the 330. Oh goodness, it's upside down. It looked like 230. Whatever, it's 330, okay? And it's because I had like a little cinnamon honey color to me. So I felt like this one closest that can match to my skin color. And let's see. Let's read about it a little bit. So this one is supposed to be hydrating, medium to full coverage for all skin tones, long wear, light as air. Let's see, because it's been some pretty heavy foundation out here. So we're gonna check that out and see if it's up to par. And so that's for the Fenty. Now let's take a look at the second contestant, which is the Milk Foundation. This is a Flex foundation stick. It's supposed to have medium coverage, natural finish foundation that covers, calms, and flexes without creasing. And that's a big deal because when you're a girl that loves to smile, you're a happy chick, you know, sometimes you get right up in there. And I don't stick with those foundations, so I'm excited to see what this one's about. So, and also I got this color and got this foundation in cinnamon. Take a look. And I like that they have like the color strip right here. That looks close, huh? Ooh, that girl good with the match up. Okay, let's see. So, even though one is thick and one is liquid, both of them said to give medium to full coverage. So, we're gonna do Fenty to the left of me and Milk to the right of me, and I'm gonna also do a full face of makeup and see how well it blends with my concealer, you know, my eyeliner, see if it melts and creases with my my eyeshadow. So give me a second, I'm about to go wash my face. And hey y'all feeling this color? I just dyed my hair. I did pretty good. Yeah. Okay, anyways. I may be going out tonight, so we're going to see how good it does with humidity and sweat. Because I may dance a little bit, and I'm out here in Louisiana, so we get to see how well it deals with humidity. Because the southern girls have to deal with a lot when it comes to humidity and our makeup, okay? So give me a moment. I'm going to wash my face and prep and get ready. I'll be back. Hey you guys, I'm all washed up, fresh and ready for this foundation review. Okay, so let's start off with that Fenty. Let's open up the package. Let's pull this bad boy out. You very sleek. Coming in a little tube plastic bottle. Fenty Beauty, Fenty Beauty. Okay, it says massage well if needed. Pump and squeeze tube simultaneously to release air. Okay, I think We can do that. Easy peasy. So let's check it. So I said we're gonna do this face with Fenty, right? Okay, so let's check out this packaging. Okay, so you just pull it out. Oh, it's different. It comes with a little pump tube. It's kind of cool. Because usually in bottles like this, you either squeeze it out, but it comes with a little pump. It's different. Okay, so I'm gonna squeeze a little bit. It says pump it out simultaneously. Let's see. This much. That looks about enough. Let's see. So, I'll start here. It's a little bright, but whatever. We're gonna blend it in. Ooh, y'all. It's a little too bright. Let's see, it's blending in pretty good. We're not blending in my tone too much, but it's applying pretty smoothly. It smells clean and fresh, but it also smells like Play-Doh, but like in a good way. Y'all remember how Play-Doh smells? But anyway, did y'all see Love and, not Love and Hip Hop, but Basketball Wives? Oh my God. Jackie Chrissy is on a whole nother level, right? Like she's wilding out. She's so messy. We love her though, but she was wilding out. Blend this up here. It's like, hey, it's bright, but I can get away with it. I wonder how well you can see me there. Camera, I tell ya. So, you know, just in case you mess up and get too bright of foundation, just blend it in your hairline. Blend it in your neck a little bit. Get away with that. Okay, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna wipe off the foundation as much as I can. I'm off the brush. And now we can try the milk. So let's unravel this bad boy. Oh snap. That's really weird. The packaging is like, at the bottom is only opens up on this end and it doesn't open up here. See what I'm saying? Like, what is this? Whatever, let's start from the top. Maybe it's different. Oh, it's sealed with the cinnamon, with the color tab. So I guess you gotta just rip that open some type of way. Packaging isn't very smart, but I guess it's trying to protect from people tampering, which that's cool with me. I'm just fine with that. Let's see. Oh, it's cute. Comes in a little tube. Right? Say milk on it. MILF. I'm just kidding. Don't say MILF, but. So, let's see. Pull it out. Oh, this looks dark, y'all. It looks dark, but let's see. Ooh, y'all. Oh, it smells therapeutic. It smells like some massage oil you would get from like the spa. So you guys, this is a big difference, but this is the closest I can get to my color there. But we're gonna blend it in and I'm gonna rock this. because I can make this work if I really wanted to. So I'm gonna go smear it in like this, right? And then I'm gonna get my handy dandy brush and blend it in. I didn't think the Milk foundation would be that close to my skin color, but from what it looks like, it's a little bit closer than the Rihanna's. So I may have to blend the forehead in just a little bit. There's two colors off, just a little bit. And I'm going out like this too, because nobody even gonna know. Okay. Okay, now this one applies pretty smooth. Just a little bit more effort than the Fenty's. It looks like they blend in. After you spread it out, you can't really see too much of a difference. But I'm gonna blend any lines here that may look different. Just blend that in a little bit. But both of them blend just fine for me. Like either one of them. Both of them smell good. The Milk does smell a little bit better. Milk, you got that. Fenty smells good, but it just kind of smells like Play-Doh. And I like the smell of Play-Doh. So it's all on your whatever you prefer. Neither one of them have a stench to it. Or like a hard chemical smell. So I'm fine with that. But now, I do want to see how well it blends with my concealer. So the concealer I'm using today is MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix. That's the one I'm using. It's also a new concealer. And I like it. So I use this to kind of like cover up the little tiredness bags that may be on my eyes sometimes. I'm just gonna see how this blend in with that, and I'm not gonna do a full makeup review or coverage, but I am going to see how it blends with my concealer though. Let's see how well it blends. I like to use my finger to blend in. I just pat across, like pat. I don't smear it across or rub it in. I like just pat it on out. Just pat the little pat blending method. And I kind of like to catch up here, just to blend it all in together. And come out here a little bit. Okay? Okay? Oh, see how bright my eyes? Okay, so now I want to use this Dior setting powder. But like I said, this is not a review on, like, I'm not gonna really go into all the products that I'm applying to my face, but I am gonna tell you what I'm applying, like as in if it's a concealer or is it setting powder. But I'm gonna do a full-blown video of like the actual products I use and exactly how I apply it. It'd be more detailed. So now I'm just gonna use a setting powder. Let that cake and bake. I don't know if people are still doing it, but I know I am still baking my face. And I like to dab a little bit up here just to help out with any creasing. And I'll also do it on the milk side of my face here. Pat, 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 pat. No rubbing, just pat, pat, pat. Crossing, just catch a little bit up here. I'm a bit oily sometimes above my eye. So this helps out. See? And let this sit. Just look like a crackhead for about 3-5 minutes. Nobody would know but us, right? Just gonna look like some powdered head, what? Powder, whatever, for like a little second. Okay. All right. So it looks like both sides blend in pretty good. I must say, they blend in the same. Let me get another look. Y'all, like seriously. Okay, for the Milk foundation, I don't quite like it. One of the reasons is because I guess it doesn't have a large variety of skin tone colors to pick from. Which one was it? The cinnamon was the closest to my skin color, and it still came off a little darker. That's lost a little points there. And also